Ladies and gents, in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys why Forex is a scam and why the Forex industry is a scam as well. Listen very carefully to what I'm about to say. What I say here comes from experience and from knowledge. And as I said before, in order for me to expose the industry, I have to expose myself. So, listen very carefully. And I know, guys, these videos might not add value, but my goal here is to save you guys as much money as possible and make you wiser. Because a lot of you come in learning strategies and you don't even know the industry itself. So how can you be successful if you don't even know the industry? And I promise you, when I'm done with these videos, we'll go back to the nice stuff, to the educational stuff, and to the rest. Now, guys, when I make these videos, I actually sleep at night like a baby because there's just this weight lifted off my shoulder when I say what I have to say. And I know and I believe in what I say. Look, Forex is an industry, it's like gambling, okay? Forex itself, exchanging currencies, is legit. When you do it in the bank, when banks do it with large sums of money, and when you do it, you know, when you go on holiday and exchange your currency and get a better rate. But when you try to day trade it or trade it, and it doesn't matter what strategy you use, some people come out, oh, smart money. Smart money don't day trade, right? What are you talking about? And a lot of you's like, yeah, but I use this hedge fund style of trading. Okay, with what, 1 to 500 leverage? See, that's why a lot of people stay losers, because they think they have it figured out. So, I believe the industry is created, guys, to take money from people legally by giving them this hope that, hey, you can make a lot of money. And sure, you can make money. We can make money doing anything. But do we keep it? No. That's a zero-sum game. So I make money here and there, but eventually I give all of it back and even more. That's the industry, guys. That's how it's created. You know who benefits? The people who promote Forex, the social influencers, the YouTubers, the Instagrammers. If you go to Instagram, you see every second guy is a trader. And I know a lot of them won't like it, what I'm saying here. But that's the facts, guys. I know every single person benefits from promoting brokers and providers, because I've also done the same thing. And I know for a fact all the statements are fake. All the accounts that show real are fake, because I've been given those accounts before with whatever broker I've recommended. Okay? I never used it to showcase results, because I knew that was illegal. But to make a specific video or a tutorial where the public doesn't know if this is a real account or a fake or a demo, I mean, there's no harm, because I'm not really promising anything. I'm just showing them a strategy. That's the only reason I use these accounts. And I've only used it maybe twice. Out of the 100% videos I have, 99.5% are real money, my money. So I know the risk and I know the emotions. That's why I could come out and talk about these. But I know these guys with statements, which is why a lot of you say, well, this guy shows me a statement. What, you think I can't get one from the broker I'm providing a service to by affiliating and promoting? Are you crazy? You think I can't get that to show it to my followers? Even if it doesn't say demo or look fake, it looks real. All of it looks real, just like your account. That's because of CFDs. It's not real money. They're not going to put money into a broker or an account for me and give it to me. It's their own money, right? Even if I trade and lose, it goes back to them because it's their own money. That's Forex, that's CFDs in general. I believe it is the industry for churning accounts, taking your money, and sending you on your way. And we can confirm it when we look at brokers, individual brokers, any broker you go to, you can have a look that stocks in general are more expensive to purchase or trade than future assets or indices or Forex itself, right? How can you tell me a stock costing $180, if I buy 100 shares of that, I'm going to pay $3 to $5 in commission, even in some cases 10 and 20. While a contract that costs $12,000 on the NASDAQ only costs 70 cents and $1 to open. It's crazy. So then you got to think, well, why is that? Well, because brokers have figured out that stocks, more people do well than they do in Forex and indices. And that's what the new course is about that I just released, guys. I simplified everything and I went straight into one trading strategy a day and focused on stocks. And I've exposed the trading industry as a result. Okay? And that's something I want to plug in here, and that's what we've been releasing the last couple of days. It's the course, and that's my final trading course ever. Now back to the point. The trading industry is designed to take money from people and make everybody else in the background richer. You think as a business, I've created a business so you can make money, come take my money, and then go live a rich life? What? You crazy? So you gotta be smart, guys. This is what I'm saying. You go into funded accounts and then you spend thousands, and then eventually they pay you from the thousands 30% of what you paid. And then guys show you, look at my payments. But then these payments come from people who've actually affiliated and sold these funded accounts to their followers. And it comes as a payment. Who are you going to run to when the regulators or when the broker or the funded accounts say, you know what, we're not going to pay you? You're going to go to regulators? They're not regulated. It's an MLM scam. Do you know what an MLM scam is? People have to keep purchasing for somebody to get paid. So if people stop purchasing, that's why they have to keep promoting it, so the money keeps flowing in so they can pay you from that money. That is an MLM scam. Do you call that trading? No, it's not trading. I've been in this industry the last 12 months, guys, and I've hated it because I've found too many things and I've seen too many things that really just make me feel like a scumbag. This is why I'm making these videos, and this is why we're going back to stocks, and this is why for the next couple of videos, you're only going to see stocks. Matter of fact, this is it. No more going back to anything else after this. We're sticking with stocks. All the Telegram channels, all the free information is there so you can lose money or so you can churn your trading account by your own hands. Churning is an illegal activity where you excessively trade. Right? It benefits the broker, it benefits the actual influencer or the guy teaching it to you. And if you get recommended a broker, then of course somebody's getting paid for it. There's nothing wrong with getting paid for commission on affiliation or whatnot, but you got to understand in this industry it's borderline illegal if you don't tell the public so they make up their own mind. And that's what we see nowadays. I'm sick of it. And I'm done with this video, guys, and I'm gonna go sleep like a baby. I'll see you for the next video, and I'm gonna explain to you in the next video why I'm moving back to stocks. And I think you guys already know. Anyways, I feel good, guys. I feel good that I've educated the public, because we're here trying to save the people money, guys. This is going to be me from now on, trying to be better, because I'm not innocent as well. My marketing hasn't been, like you could call it sober marketing, 500 a day on the titles. A lot of people think, oh, 500 a day, I can make this every day. But if you're smart enough, this is trading. You don't make the same amount. You can make more, you can make little. Wolves in sheep's clothing is what the industry's about. And you can make the same assumption about me, guys. I will take that. As long as you understand that when people as well that come out, they try and expose the industry, they're wolves in sheep's clothing as well. So you can make the same assumption about me, that this guy's saying these things so he can sell his course. Because as I said before, I'm not affiliated with anybody anymore, guys. And I'm keeping it that way. Right? Because there's a conflict of interest, and I believe, why affiliate at the end of the day? There's mentors who do it, and there's mentors who just teach and make their money off the industry. Up to you who you want to follow.